Hey there, I got a question for you. Is Facebook a money-making machine or a money-eating machine for you? I mean, are you really making money from your Facebook ads traffic, or is Facebook simply eating up your ads budget? Do you ever think about simply creating Facebook ads that would cost you less but make you lots in sales? You see, just like you, I'm a Facebook marketer too. I drove traffic from Facebook to my Shopify stores, Teespring campaigns, fan pages, and affiliate offers every single day. And just like you, I've lost a lot of money trying to run profitable ads and make real sales. So how do you create a successful, profitable ad, the type of ad that people can't ignore, the type of ad that costs you less and really makes you the sales? Well, today I'm excited to show you for the very first time one of the most profitable Facebook tools ever created that will help you get fast, cheap Facebook traffic on any budget. It's called AdsVisor 2.0. Your first highly profitable, highly engaging, and super cheap Facebook ad is just a few clicks away. AdsVisor 2 lets you spy on over 600,000 profitable Facebook ads, over 4,500 Instagram ads, over 10,000 Facebook video ads, tons of Facebook mobile ads, and millions of viral niche posts from a daily updated database, allowing you to see exactly what's selling so you know what types of products to sell from your own Shopify stores, what kinds of offers to promote, or what kind of t-shirt designs to sell right from day one. And easily recreate the type of profitable ads your competitors are creating to get a higher click-through rate, lower cost per click, and massive ROI. Now imagine if you could see which ads work best and save hundreds of dollars on testing and trial and error. Imagine being able to see who your competitors are selling to, so you know the right audience to run your ads to. Imagine being able to spy where and what type of ads your competitors are running, Facebook or Instagram, right side, video ads, or mobile ads. And imagine being able to see your competitors' Teespring, Shopify, and other landing pages and funnels so you know exactly how they're converting that dirt cheap traffic into sales. With AdsVisor 2, you can. AdsVisor 2 is a brand new cloud-based tool that shows you exactly what Facebook ads are working for other marketers in any niche. So let me show you how it works. To get started with AdsVisor 2.0, click the Search Ads button. And this tab will let you enter any keyword or link and instantly see the best performing ads in your niche or that your competition is running from our now 600,000 ads database, which is being updated every day. In the 2.0 version, you can now filter results by placement like newsfeed ads, right column ads, or mobile ads, by industry, by likes and emoticons, like to see the top ads people loved or wowed, by gender, search in over 30 different countries, and even by button type in the ad. And if that wasn't enough, you can also filter by age range, date range, and ad engagement range, allowing you to see the best performing ads on Facebook for your specific need or business, and help to guarantee a positive ROI from your Facebook campaign right from the start. So for this example, I'm going to enter the keyword paleo, and I can instantly see the top performing paleo diet based ads that have actually been run on Facebook now. To get more detail about a specific ad, simply click it and you can see more detailed information like the age range chosen, the gender, country, advertiser URL, and more. You can also see a new Deep Insights feature showing the targeting type, like if it's a retargeting ad, a lookalike audience ad, or something else. Then if we find an ad that we like for inspiration, simply click the heart button and add it to our favorite ads collection. But desktop ads are just the start with AdsVisor 2.0. We now have a 10,000 plus video ads database, which allows you to search the top performing video ads on Facebook for your niche with the same advanced filtering features. You can even click the ad to actually watch the video and see how it looks in Facebook too. And since Facebook bought Instagram, AdsVisor 2.0 has been updated with a 10,000 plus Instagram ads database that's being updated every day, allowing you to spy and view the most successful Instagram ads in any niche you choose. Also, AdsVisor 2.0 comes with a new powerful follow ads feature. Simply enter the name of your competitor's page, and the follow ads module will show you all the ads they've been running on Facebook to see what's been working well for them and what's not. The new ad notification feature allows you to add any keyword you wish and then get notified once a week when an ad with this keyword has been added to the AdsVisor database for you to check out. And finally, AdsVisor 2.0 includes a special social ads spy feature that lets you see which Facebook or Instagram posts are going viral and why for any niche to open the floodgates to endless free traffic. With AdVisor, you can find profitable Shopify stores, top-selling Teespring campaigns, CPA offers, find the most profitable mobile offers and mobile ads, find out what Amazon FBA and affiliates are selling, Spy on Facebook mobile ads, video ads, viral posts, Instagram ads, find profitable niches, and figure out the exact audience your competitors are targeting, and so much more. And the best part? AdsVisor 2 is 100% Facebook compliant. It doesn't use bots, robots, spiders, scraping, or any automatic tools at all. All our ads are manually indexed by our highly trained team of experts. With AdsVisor 2, you get access to 600,000 profitable Facebook ads, over 10,000 profitable Facebook video ads, over 4,500 profitable Instagram ads, tons of mobile ads, millions of dark posts and viral niche posts, ads from over 39 new countries added in the last 1 year, tons of filters to help you find the right ad, ability to spy on your competitors and get updates every time they run a new campaign. With AdsVisor 2, you won't have to ever create an ad from scratch or blow thousands on testing ads. No more paying huge in ad spends and getting a pathetic ROI. Start spying on the most profitable ads and replicating them today. This is the missing piece, the must-have software that will literally change the way you run your Facebook and Instagram ads now and forever. This is your unfair advantage over your competitors. So click the button below and get instant access to AdsVisor 2. And you need to hurry because the price will be rising soon. In fact, the price you're seeing right now is the lowest possible price, and it's increasing every few hours. This low price won't last much longer. Look below to find the full detailed walkthrough of the AdsVisor 2 and more details and examples, along with a complete feature list of what's new. I look forward to helping you make more sales in your business, even if you're just starting out. AdsVisor 2.0 will gain you an absolutely unfair advantage over your existing and new competitors. Get access below. I look forward to connecting with you and helping you in the AdsVisor 2 members area.